Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be swapping the headlights out. So I got some brand new headlights I ordered online on eBay. They were like $86 or $87. If I can get just one to come out of there. There we go. Yeah. So I'm going to be installing these today. And I'm just going to keep using the new LED bulbs. So I gotta get in here, pop the hood, and I'll give you guys another update. Alright you guys, so I've got this one is already in. Lights work. Nice and clear. Love it. So I've got the passenger side out. I've already got the bulbs out. So low beam and high beam and the low beam. There we go. So now I just got to pull these backing covers off on this new one, put the LED bulbs in, hook them up, plug it in, good to go. So I'm gonna get these bulbs in here and then I'll give you guys another update. Alright you guys, so I got the LED bulbs installed, they're plugged in. So I gotta put the dust caps on. And just like that, they're in. So now to test them out, make sure they work, I'm just gonna plug our plug in down here. Bam! Hey, we hit that bright light switch. Oh, nope, this one's plugged in backwards, so I gotta swap that one around. Hit this one again. Oh yeah, that one works. Alright. So now I gotta take this dust shield back off. Pull this out. I'm gonna have to unplug this and swap it around. And I'll have them test it again. So y'all give me a minute, let me swap this. I'll give y'all another update. Alright y'all, so I got the plug swapped around, got my dust shield back on. Hey, you want to hit that bright light switch for me one more time? Just make sure it works. There we go. Alright. Yep. Sweet. So now they're all working. So now I just got to get this. I got to pop this up. Slide these two knobs here. Go here. And then there's two more over here that go on this side back here. So I've got to get those in and then pop the both these clamps down. That holds the headlight. Then the grill pops in these tabs down here and up here on the radiator support, and then in both the headlights. So I got to get this headlight back in, then I get the grill back on, and I'll give y'all another update. Alright y'all, and there she is, all back together. Only took about 15 minutes to swap both headlights. Now looks great. So I did just test this bulb up here is out, so I'm gonna have to get another one of the tiny little bulbs like a tag light bulb, but it's okay, it looks much better. Hopefully I'll be able to see a hell of a lot better. So yep, that's the headlight install. Huge upgrade. I mean, just look at the difference in that. That's just a huge difference. So hopefully now I'll actually be able to see. So I guess I'll give you guys another update once it gets dark here after a while. So y'all stay tuned. Give you guys another update in a bit. Hey YouTube, so it seems to be much better with the visibility. About to pull out of this McDonald's. I've been eating some dinner. Yeah, I got much better visibility with these headlights. like I said, I'm really happy with the headlights. I can see so much better now. So I think that's going to be it for this video. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.